Evening, y'all. So I know it's been a couple of weeks since my intended last video, but we're gonna try and get some of these potatoes harvested today. And I've seen it a lot of different times where people are doing potatoes. They're doing a potato garden in the stacked tires. They just keep adding dirt every now and then, and it's supposed to make a whole bunch of potatoes. Well, we're fixing to find out. I did 2 rounds of it. I think I went three tires high, if I remember correctly. Whatever it is. Well, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check them and see how well we really did. Hold up. All right, so it looks like we only went 2 on each one. I went ahead and I pulled the weeds out of this one here. Potatoes are clearly ready to be picked. They're laying over. But this is what what the other one looked like. There's lots and lots of weeds in it because I let it go. Let's see what it's gonna do. So let's kick this over and find out what we got. Well, thus far, I'm not real impressed with the stacking. All this up on the top of is 1 potato. Kind of seems like a waste of dirt and time so far. But let's keep going and see what we got. Okay, so that's all we got. Not really impressed with the yield, but let's talk pros and cons. Con is obviously the yield, but the pro, these potatoes are a lot more uniform than when I just do it directly into the ground. I mean, that's the most misshapen one I've got, and the rest of them are pretty much all like that. I don't get nearly as many of these little baby ones we usually throw in our stews and stuff like that. So I guess that could be a pro or a con depending on how you look at it. So, but I'm also looking at my dirt here, and I think I got too much peat moss in it and not enough dirt and fertilizer. So I think I'll probably try it again next year, see what we get. But let's do that last one, see what we really have. There's also ants as well as potato beetles in this one. Alright guys, sorry about that. Card ran out of memory. Not sure what happened there, but so finished up that second round of potatoes, and while we didn't get a whole lot more, we did get some bigger ones, but it's kind of more of the same. You know, they're very uniform, look great, but there's just not very many of them. But so I don't know, I might try it again next year, we'll see, but right now I'm kind of leaning towards no. The only thing that kind of holds me back is I'm thinking I got a bit of a soil issue there. I think, yeah, there was loose enough, but I don't think there was enough nutrients. I don't think there was enough nutrients there in order to get as many as I wanted. Why they didn't grow up like everybody says they do, I'm not sure. I mean, I've done it in the ground and they did. Why they didn't in the tires, I'm not sure. I don't know if it just got too hot. I don't know. I put them underneath the tree there, which should have had enough shade, but I don't know. So I don't know. That's kind of the result that we got. We'll see what we're gonna do again about it next year, but until then, just keep doing what we can, pray, seek His guidance, and we'll move on from there. Love y'all.